Hey guys, Derek here from Modern Castle. We just got the brand new Lupe vacuum. We're going to be unboxing and putting it together today. Let's go ahead and dive in. So as far as installation and setup goes, it doesn't get any easier than that. I didn't even need to open the instructions, just a few pieces snapped together. Super intuitive, super easy to assemble. It appears to be extremely well made. While we do have mostly plastic parts, they do seem to be very, very nice plastics, good materials otherwise. The design is incredibly both simple but impressive. It's just elegant. We're very excited to test this vacuum. As you saw there, it's sort of an upright, sort of a stick, but also has the detachable canister. You've got the accessories that hang right on it. It's just a vacuum that looks to have a lot going for it. 3 different suction modes, as well as the ability to turn on and off the brush roll. So this is a pretty slick vacuum. We're really excited to test it, so look for our review soon.